Good day, everyone. My name is Rafael C. Cabangisan Jr. I'm BS Crim 2, Section 2. My topic is Interdisciplinary Nature of Environmental Science. Environmental science is inherently interdisciplinary because it integrates natural science like biological, chemistry, and geology with social science such as sociology, economics, and policy to study complex environmental issues and find solution. Ang pamamaraan ito ay kailangan nating maunawaan ang physical, chemical, at mga biological system of environmental at kung paano ito makaepekto sa atin. Key areas at draws from include environmental, biological, chemistry, physics, atmospheric science, and oceanographic, geology, and human geography. Key effects of its interdisciplinary nature. Natural science. To study the physical and biological component of the environment is a branch of science and study physical science and life science. Example of physical science is car. Car is metal with steady and constant. And life science. Consistent it physical science plants is living organisms are live we study it in life science. Example ani is kanang gatubo sa alom sa kahoy like mushroom, pwede pon plants o everything. Biology and ecology to understand ecosystem and biodiversity. Example, ecology is the study of the how organisms interact with one another and with their physical environment.
My name is Christianti Talaman.
Yan nasa babaw
The
ba?
topic is environment science, draw on social science, understand the human dimension of environmental issues such as how people interact with their environment, the impact of human behavior on the environment, and the social economic factors that influence environmental decision making. Section of environment science and social sciences, crucial and for addressing environmental challenge. Social science helps environmental scientists understand complex relationship between humans, societies, and natural environment information affecting social solution. Social science provides insight that at how people perceive and value the environment, make decisions about resource use, and respond to environmental policies. It helps understand human drivers of environmental issues like change, deforestation, and biodiversity loss, and develop effective strategies and to address them. By combination insight from both fields, research and policymakers can develop effective solutions working with local communities to develop sustainable practice, designing policies, and consider social and economic impact and contributing to more sustainable future.
Good day, ma'am. I am Romer Rosales Calvit Jr. Today we will tackle about physics. When we say physics, it's a branch of science that deals with matter, energy, space, and time. Goal: to understand how the universe behaves. Scope includes mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, acoustic, and nuclear physics. There are 5 concepts of physics mechanics. Definition of the study motion and forces branches. Classical mechanics deals with macroscopic object and everyday phenomena. Application, technology, electronics, physics is the foundation of modern electronics, the design of structures, mechanics, and device. Sa medicine, medical imaging techniques such as X-ray, MRI, and ultrasound rely on physics. Radiation therapy used to treat cancer. Sa everyday life, transformation, the design of cars, airplane, and trains relies on physics. Sa communication, technologies such as smartphones and the internet depend on physics. That's all for today, ma'am. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Lizelle A. De La Cruz. I will discuss how environmental science draw on knowledge, biology, social science, and other disciplines. Biology provides foundational knowledge on living organisms, ecosystem, and ecological processes. Key concepts include population dynamics, biodiversity, nutrient cycling, and the impact of pollutants on human health and wildlife. Ecology is a sub-discipline of biology essential to environmental science. Biology Biology has understand how living things interact within the environmental. Example, biology concept explain by biodiversity and how pollution affect wildlife. Here's how physics connect to environmental science. Physics contribute to understanding the transfer of energy, matter, and motion in natural systems. Principles from physics are crucial for climate modeling, hydrology, atmospheric dispersion and pollutants, and the development of renewable energy technologies. Ang physics sad kay makatabang ni siya sa makatabang ni siya kung unsang enerhiya nga kahatag sa pollution move or through the environmental. Example, basic principles are used to model climate change and develop renewable energy. Og naasad ang isa. So, ang social science, environmental science also draw heavily on discipline like sociology, economics, political science, and ethics to understand human behavior. Environmental justice issues, policy development, resource management, and how to effectively implement solutions to environmental challenge. Ang social challenge daw kay makatabang ni siya understand kung unsa ay how people affect the environmental and how environmental policies are made. Example, social science explain how communities interact with their environment and the economics behind resource use.